Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix all the problems related to DLL files on Windows 11 and 10. Even you can watch this video in Windows 8 and 7. So how to fix the DLL, any DLL file is missing on your Windows 10 and 11. So first of all guys, DLL are system DLL are stored in C drive, Windows, then system 32. This is system 32. As you can see here, these are all the DLL files inside my system. So in order to replace or even change this DLL files, you need to right click on it first of all and then rename it and copy it from all. Copy it so that you can go to the website and download this DLL file. Sometime it happens or it corrupts due to the Windows problem, or sometime you accidentally delete them, or even some Windows corruption as well. So how to fix that? Open the any browser whichever you use and search the DLL files. Go to first link and open this, and this is the trusted and very popular website for downloading DLL files. So once you reload this website, you just need to copy and paste this, let's say this console.dll, press the enter key, and you should able to get same console.dll. Just you need to open that, close the advertisement since it is a open source, so you might have get this option. Now you need to scroll down this all the descriptions and you can read more about it. Scroll down and look for the option where it says download. It will be downloaded in a zip file. Just click on download and it will be downloaded in a zip file. Wait a few seconds, locate it. Now once it is downloaded, you need to just open the location where it is downloaded, right click on it and extract all. Choose the location and now console, and here is console DLL, and now you need to cut this and simply you need to paste it here. Simply you need to paste it and it will ask you to replace it. So replace this and see your issue will be fixed. I'm pretty sure since we have replaced the console.dll file or even any missing file you have. If the DLL file is missing and it is showing up on the error, so what you can do is simply you can search that DLL. Okay, let's say its name is this DLL, for example. Here, search it, press enter key, and sometime you may have not able to get the DLL, but most of the popular DLL which are missing, you should able to get these DLLs. Let's try to find this out. See, an option is showing up here for download, and you will get here two options. Sometime it may be a 64-bit and 32-bit version. This is 64-bit architecture, 64, 32-bit you can see here. So you need to download accordingly on your computer. And one another solutions to find the exact DLL that is missing on your computer is open that program. Let's say this is a program and you are getting the error on it. Right click on it, open the file location and simply For example, this is the DLL which is missing. The same way you need to copy and simply go here, press enter, search it, and it will find out the DLL. Scroll down and simply download it. Now once you download it, you need to again follow the same process to unzip this one, extract it, and this is the DLL. Just cut it and go to the same location where it is missing, and you need to paste that DLL here directly. You can see. I hope this video helps you. If yes and your issue is fixed, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and comment if any concern you have. Thank you. Thanks for watching.